Asang makuha ko, hindi ko na malaya, 1 o'clock pala yung examination ko that time. So I only had 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock to take the examination. Maalala ko noon, sa pagmamadali ko, alam mo yung, di ba yung feeling na nagmamadali ka, pero alam mo yung may pumipigil sa'yo. Yung kung kailan ka nagmamadali, saka naman nagkakaroon ng problema. So, I could still recall ang daming mga karo noon, yung patay, nung papunta po ako. So, to cut the long story short, dumating po ako dito sa PSU Lingayen to take that examination. I think past 2 p.m. So, I only had 1 hour to take the examination. And, sabi ko noon parang, wala na akong pakialam kung sinong katabi ko kasi, you know, I admire that professor because ang galing nung ginawa niya. Pagkadating ko sa room, hindi ko kilala kung sino yung mga katabi ko. Hindi siya yung usual na examination na kaklase mo yung katabi mo. So, ang kasama ko is buong ICT department. So, halo-halo po kami doon. So, to cut the long story short, results came out. Only one got 46 out of 50. And I was that person. Maalala ko, binary numbers pa yata ang topic noon. Favorite ko ang binary numbers. So, hindi ko po alam kung anong magic yung nangyari po sa araw na yon. But I would like to tell you, at isa po yun sa naging motto ko po later on, na if you will just do your best, the Lord will do the rest for you. So, our IT, would-be IT professionals, I challenge you, 1 oras lang yon. Ano po, yung aking examination, but I believe you could do better than me. And I think that's the hope of all your professors. You know what? Lahat ng professors ninyo nangangarap na magiging mas magaling kayo. With all the things na natutunan nyo po. Ayan, nagkakaproblema ang aking kodigo. Ayan, pagpasensyahan nyo na po ako at kailangan ko po mag-kodigo po. Ano po? So before graduating in college, just to share po sa inyo, I had the opportunity to take the civil service examination. So sabi ko nga sa inyo, parang lahat ng magagandang memories ko nasa pag-aaral natin dito sa kolehiyo. So when I took the civil service examination, you could just imagine the pressure that I had. They look up to me as if I would be the number one, that I would be able to pass all the examinations, you know, nang napakadali lang. But they don't know all the struggles behind. Ano po? So that was October 2011, kung hindi pa ako nagkakamali. Before po ako graduate ng college dito, ang iyabang pa po namin noon, dahil nalaman namin na merong, ayan, civil service examination, di ba meron yung professional level and sub-professional level. So sabi namin, ay, mag-professional na tayo. Ayan, ang kakapal ng mukha namin, di ba? Ang yayabang namin nun, to tell you honestly. So 3 po kami sa aming section nun, and I think meron din pong nag-take that time, nakasabayan din namin. And I could still recall the moment that I took the exam at Dagupan City National High School, yung ating venue nun. I only had 3 hours to take the examination and 180 questions yung kailangan mong sagutan. To my surprise, nasa kalagitnaan pa lang yata ako. Parang 93 pa lang ako out of 180 questions. Believe me or not, the proctor said, last 20 minutes. So you could just imagine all the things na naramdaman ko sa araw na yon. Most especially, the feelings, yung the fear of failing, sabi nga nila. Because kung ako nga babagsak,